Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial of Adama Robotics. In this video we're going to learn about the buzzer with Bell robot. Okay, so there is a buzzer in our robot and how you can play tunes in that. Okay, so it's going to be a fun tutorial, just wait for it. Okay, so first of all we will have to open up our IDE. So let's quickly open up our IDE to write a program over there. So our IDE is already open over here, so as you can see. Now what we need to do is we need to write our program. So as you already know that whenever you come to the IDE, first of all we have to come to the Arduino mode over here. This is the when there is a tick, you will understand the Arduino mode is on. Then you have to connect your ports, okay, COM ports. Now sometimes you might not see the COM ports. What you need to do is you need to check for it, okay, and then you will see a green mark over here. Then come to the boards and select Bell. Okay, now Bell is selected, COM port is connected, everything is all right. Now we can write our program. So first of all we have to take the AdamaScript program block, because this block is going to make it work. Okay, then we will take the forever block, and then we will come back to the robot block sections, and here you can see there's a block called play tunes. Okay, play tone on something, play tone on C4 beat at 8. Then what we could do is we could grab some of them, a couple of them, okay, and then you could even get a control block and you can make them wait for a couple of seconds in between them. Okay, and let me change the tune quickly. So first one is C4, then we can go to D2, then we can go to G3, then we can go to something else. Okay, let's just go to G4. Alright, and instead of making it whole, we can do is 8, we can do it whole. Okay, now serial port is connected, everything is connected. What we could do is rather than pressing that, just press upload to Arduino. Okay, so when you press upload to Arduino, what you will see is over here you will see the upload is taking place. Okay, so just keep an eye on whenever it says the upload is finished. So we have finished the upload of the program. Now as you can see, the music is whenever we turned it on, pressing this button, the music is playing. Now you could go back to the program and change the tunes and try out some amazing music. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys.